All right, number one is free, and it's not fasting. And I'm going to start there. It's actually forgiveness. If you can learn the skill, and it is a skill you practice, it's a muscle, to forgive the grudges that you carry, it will make you live longer. I do find it's hard to have enough energy to let go of grudges and to do forgiveness if you're tired and hungry all the time. Learning to sense that I don't want to act like a jerk, but I do, and then forgive yourself for making mistakes like that. That was a part of what I learned in the cave, and it's part of what's in the book. So it's important. And I love how honest you are about that too. And if you're holding a grudge against yourself, so when I do forgiveness, it's you forgive the other person, you forgive the thing that they did, and then you forgive yourself. And when you do all three of those in a forgiveness exercise. Number two, you've got to sleep well. Not long, but well. And I am going to talk about the red glasses. It's a patent that I filed. It's called True Dark. This is one of my companies, so I have a bias and all that. And we're about to release a whole bunch more research about what it does for the brain. But you can make yourself sleep better. If before you go to bed, you dim the lights, you black out your bedroom, and you block 4 different frequencies of light that go into your eyes. The difference is profound. Last night I got 2 hours of deep sleep and change and 2 hours of REM sleep in 7 hours of sleep. I couldn't do that until I started wearing the glasses. You have to do that. Yeah, I'm not trying to sell this. I just make companies who build things that I can't buy. And that's all I do. Third one, movement. And the studies are very clear. And there are a lot of studies on this. You need to walk for 20 minutes a day. Just some kind of movement. It doesn't have to be crazy. And then once or twice a week, you need to do something for 10 minutes that makes you want to cry or throw up. So squats, push-ups, heavy sprints, anything like that. High intensity. You can do more if you want to. But you've got to at least move. And then once or twice a week, push. 3. And then the other one that I would highly recommend is tell your body that sometimes it has to be able to go to full power generation very quickly. And the easiest way to do that is actually a cold shower or other form of cryotherapy. And this is at the end of your shower, full cold, forehead and chest. But the most important sensors are in your forehead and chest. Got it. And you're going to hate it for the first 3 days. After 3 days, the mitochondria change the levels of cardiolipin, and all of a sudden it's not cold, it just feels exhilarating. But the first 3 days, you'll hate me. And it's okay to swear in the shower. Dave Asprey's a jerk. And then the other biohack, if I could only have 5, would be neurofeedback. And at this point, Lewis, I've had more than 1,000 entrepreneurs come through my neurofeedback program. I would say meditation. So if neurofeedback isn't accessible to you, you can meditate. But if you meditate with a lie detector telling you, no, that didn't work, that worked, forgiveness becomes easier. Relaxation becomes easier. Knowing when you're in fight or flight becomes easier. And so if you wanted to have more meditation in less time or make more progress in this life than you otherwise would, having something that tells you you're doing a good job that's not you is really helpful, because you're always going to tell yourself you did a good job, because we all like to hear that, even if it's not true. So I want an external source to tell me that I'm meditating right. And for me, it's neurofeedback. And my company that does that is called 40 Years of Zen. And that's absolutely changed my life, because I learned how to actually do forgiveness at a very deep level.